Misanmetung na rin Miyaliwang aguman at ahensya na ng gobyerno bang may sulong ing lakas na pang-development ng Clark, partikular na king aviation complex. Katukina inining pamamirman ng Memorandum of Understanding o MOU, king pilatan na ng Clark International Airport Corporation o SIAC. University of the Philippines Public Administration Research and Extension Services Foundation Incorporated o APAF Respond Project at U.S. Agency for International Development o USAID. Minuna ng MOU ring aliwa pang ahensya kalupanan ng Department of Trade and Industry o DTI at Department of Agriculture o DA.
So we're going to work together for the National Food Hub. Yung National Food Hub natin will become the stock exchange for commodities coming from the production areas in Central Luzon and in Northern Luzon. So they will be supporting us in building our capacity of SIAC to be able to make that project work. And also at the same time, they will help us finance many of the facilities, yung infrastructure na kailangan for the National Food Hub.
Makasadyaya kanong midaking technical assistance ng UPAF king SIAC, bang malugumpela ring flagship projects kalupa na ng Mega Food Hub.
We will be assisting SIAC in the National Food Hub project, the multimodal logistics facility project, and also to come up with a plan for interconnecting all these important facilities.
Manuwala naman kayo yung USAID ang maragulyang pisabi ng food security anya suportado yung Mega Food Hub project. Oras mitalakad ni, iniing maging mumo ng Mega Food Hub king bansa ay sumaw panigurado ang makasalilang murang pamangan ng Pilipino.
It's so huge. This will be what I would say a city within the airport city. The airport city is now the brand for our Clark Civil Aviation Complex. And that food hub will generate thousands of jobs. It will create business activities. We envision that there will be hundreds of companies within that 64-hectare area for the National Food Hub. And that's expandable. So that is the purpose of the Clark to be able to create economic growth, particularly in the region.
Maabot siya kimigit 60 hectares ing babalakad daw italakad ang National Food Hub, aantimang premier wholesale market king bansa at distribution hub para karing high value at top quality food products. Kaya pa karang proyekto na ng SIAC ing second runway, multimodal terminal, road network sa Taliwapa. Samantala, marugula portion na rin pitalakaranda ka rin ni Miyaliwang proyektong areni ringatsu king open spaces. Atin muna mga agricultural land amituron at atin neman kanong programa ing SIAC para karela kambe ing lokal kapanibalan na ng Mabalacat City.
We regularly communicate with the LGU and also the welfare of this what we call farmers in this area will be taken care of.
Positibo naman ng SIAC king tagumpen ng karelang proyekto, lakwas na tating masikan at suporta, iba't king gobyerno. Ako, ingkya kayong talasuyo, Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.